Welcome! In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE2, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down our notification panel. And in here we want to find our hotspot toggle, which for me looks to be there we go. So it's right over here. I don't know how I missed it the first time around. I'm gonna check something just. Oh, okay. Looks a little bit more dim when you have airplane mode on, just because you can't activate it. So anyway, once you find it, which hopefully for you it's in the same place, this is the default location of the toggle. The first time around you will want to hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings, where you can then select hotspot settings and then choose password. The reason why I recommend doing this is because the password that is set right here is randomly generated, so without going in here you have no way of knowing what the password is. But additionally, once you're in here, I do recommend simply changing the password to something that I can remember easily. Now I'll be setting up some really easy password, as you can see, very secure. It does need to have 8 characters in length in order for you to actually save it. Now below that we have AP band. You can change it if you want to, if you know that the device you will be connecting with to this hotspot supports it. Then go right ahead, check it to 5 GHz, but just a warning, if whatever device you connect with does not support 5 GHz, it simply just will not see this hotspot that you have created. So you will need to go back here and change it back to 2.4. We also have the option to use Wi-Fi 6. Now even less devices support Wi-Fi 6 than Wi-Fi 5 or 5 GHz. So chances are, at the moment, at the recording of this video, chances are there is slim chances that you have any device that actually supports Wi-Fi 6. But you can still turn it on if you want to. Do keep in mind it will consume more battery. And you can also edit the name of the hotspot that you will create if you want to, or keep it as it is. As you can see, by default it will have the name of the device itself. So I'm going to keep everything as it is right now, and I'll just click on the checkbox to save the settings. And once that's done, we can toggle it on quickly from here, or from the toggle itself right here, though it's right now enabled. An additional little thing that I just seen, once you enable your hotspot, as you see, there is a new option showing up, QR code, which allows you to share your hotspot with someone through the QR code. So you won't need to actually give them the password per se, so you will need to like write it down for them or just tell them what it is. So if you have some kind of more personal password that you use, you can just whip out the QR code and then they can turn on the QR scanner on their phone and use that to connect to their network, or not to your network hotspot, which is just basically is turn on the camera, scan this, not necessarily a camera, but like the QR scanner, which uses camera. You scan this by just simply pointing the camera at it, and it does everything else. It just gives you a pop-up connect and you're done. So yeah, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.